Oh my god, so many of them.
Mm-hmm.
Run, on me, on me, on me. Oh, he's so weak.
Got him.
You killed him? Nice.
Mhm.
I have
Oh
a
shit!
resuscitator.
Shit! Hold on. Ah, I got another guy, but then I got.
Damn.
Fuck.
That was a...
Helicopter's dropping people, dude, right behind us, bro. Whole fucking squad. Oh my
Really?
god. Yes.
Holy fuck,
Oh
dude.
fuck, dude. Fuck this. Fuck this.
I'm laying...
There's somebody
He's
sniping.
right in front of me, right in front of me, right in front of me.
Got him.
Dumbass. Another one. Oh my god, he's so weak, dude. He's so weak. He's right behind his teammate that I killed, right behind the wooden fence. There's a wooden fence.
Hold on. Got him.
Nice, that was him. I got the assist.
Actually, wait, our shots
It's
coming
right,
from here?
right.
Right here,
Yeah.
yeah. He's up top. Right here.
Don't.
Got him.
Nice.
Another chopper,
Oh.
another chopper.
Let's go after him. Fuck it.
Yeah.
This is perfect.
Yep, they got out. Got one.
Got one.
Two. Right, he's
Left
running
side.
across, running across. I'm reloading. He's in the bush, right? Oh, come on, SKS. Fuck. He's in the bush right here.
In the bush. There's another one laying down. There's two of them.
Where at?
Push the middle between both sunflowers. Patches.
I got shots on him. He's in the fucking sunflowers. I don't see where he went.
Yeah, there's two. Be careful.
Oh my god, this SKS reloads so fucking slow. I gotta figure out how to improve that. Got one of them.
Nice. I think there's one right on my body near me. I hear him.
Got him.
Nice. I think that's... I saw two, but I think you got both. I got hit by... all in there.
Chopper full of guys coming in.
Here.
Chopper, landing chopper, try to take him out.
No,
Shots?
they're landing in their tower. They're all over. Like, look at... If you look to your left, you'll see a bunch of them in there as well. There's probably like 15 guys there.
Just got one of them.
Nice.
He landed outside. Yeah. The chopper landed outside the tower.
I'm getting shot. I got shot. God damn it. I don't really have a long range gun. I need to get close.
Got another kill. There's no way we don't get planes here.
They're on the hill with us.
Got him. Got one
Nice.
anyway.
I'm healing still.
Oh shit, they're still up here. Other guys up here.
I'm here with you. I'm fully healed now.
Got him.
Alright.
You dead?
I'm getting shot at though. I got down.
Oh my god, there's so many right here, bro.
I know.
Just got two. Oh my god, dude.
I got one.
Another one.
I have 1 HP again. That's the third time.
Oh my god. Oh my god.